Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking this video. I would like to welcome all of you to my channel. See, here I would like to talk about some people they have some assumptions and I can say misunderstanding. To some extent it is okay. Talking about learning English language and implementation. Two different aspects are here. One is learning English language. You are learning things. Let's suppose you are learning grammatical rules, you are learning vocabularies, advanced structure, and the expressions you are learning, and you are just mugging it up. That is completely okay. But just fetching it into the conversation when it is needed, and yeah, the implementation. Are you really doing this? Are you able to do so? Do you have this much caliber, potential? The words that you have learned already and the expressions you have just stumbled upon, you are able to use them. Do you think that you have everything's knowledge, whatever is happening in your surroundings? Talking about news, talking about day to day current affairs. Are you aware? If you are aware, then why are you not able to speak it out in English? See, speaking in English meaning communicating. It's a tool, it's a means of communication. You're conveying your thoughts, right? But talking about having the knowledge, that is a different scenario. Now let's come to doing the learning, doing that unyielding efforts you are making, and so many work you're doing. You are dedicating your time and everything you are doing. There are few people, they are so thrilled to learn how to do tongue twister, and they literally are doing tongue twister. It is okay to some extent, and yes, some of the people they are following shadowing. That is so nice. But there are some few people as well, they are really inclined to watch movies, English movies, to enhance their vocabularies and to know about the advanced expressions, foreigner expressions, right? As they are really into that. And here I would like to say that you're watching movie, okay, you're watching movie is around 3 hours. So you're watching a movie, you're spending 3 hours over there. Let's suppose for 3 hours you're not watching movies, you're doing tongue twister and shadowing you're doing. See, when you are interacting with people, communicating with them, are you doing the tongue twister? Are you doing the shadowing? Or you are just responding, replying, explaining something, narrating something, right? You're narrating something. Are you getting this? Are you getting my point? This means it is more important to speak spontaneously. Whatever is asked to you, you are able to do so. You are able to speak it in English with the clarity. You are able to articulate your expressions, your thoughts into English, and it is so clear, so concise, and you are so coherently you are talking, you're speaking. I think this is more important. This plays a crucial part. And just to spend 3 hours watching a movie, and just to do such I can say ideas you're following, you're doing such kind of things, tongue twister and shadowing, in order to learn English language, in order to just develop that skill to speak more and more. Do you think it is really productive? It is really fruitful? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah. Why? Because I haven't done this so far, and you might have just gone through my videos, any of the clip you have watched, or you might have seen a few seconds video of mine, right? So I have shared this too, because to be very honest, to be very scrupulous, I haven't done this, and I would not say that I don't really like it. I do not detest it, it is workable, but that doesn't mean that it is workable for you, could be workable for your friend. No, it doesn't happen like this way. Unlike other people, I am not really interested to do such tongue twister and following shadowing. I don't do so. And talking about watching movies, see, instead of watching movies spending 2 to 3 hours, you can just explore yourself, you can do the study, right? You can do the study, and what more you can do? You can just enhance your vocabularies, right? By reading, you can read a chapter, a story, and you can do the practice of speaking. Whomsoever you want to do the practice of speaking, right? So here I would like to say this is, I find, much productive and insightful. That time you are not only just managing the time, you are just trying to extract the maximum benefit out of that time which you have earlier spent watching your movie. So instead of watching movie, that's all your choice. It is like your decision. The ball is in your court. Do you want it to make it out just for your movies? You want to just watch movies, or you just want to do the study to explore yourself, to foster that skill, to speak English spontaneously? Something is asked to you and you are able to reply, not just in a word, not just in one sentence. Yes, I know this, and at least 1 to 2 minutes you can speak in English. So, are you able to do so? And talking about enriching your vocabularies, in order to enrich your vocabularies if you are watching movies, so there are so many ways to do this. We know it is so monotonous if you are using same word again and again. It becomes monotonous. So there are so many words out there. You can just build up your vocabularies. You can just embellish your English by using so good vocabularies. But here's the catch: unless you feel comfortable with the language, and you do not feel so comfortable, natural, and fearless, you're not going to convey the same thought as you are thinking inside. Because inside your mind there are so many things going on. Kind of battle is happening. Should I use this word? Should I go for this? Should I not go for this? Okay. So how do you choose this? You have to be so judicious here while choosing your words. And most importantly, are you able to structure the correct sentence? This is much important here. Instead of just watching movies and doing the tongue twister and shadowing, you can take out time and do the maximum of it. You can just save your energy, I would say. If you're doing the tongue twister, let's suppose you're saying the sentences again and again, you're just losing your that energy by using that word, saying it out loud. Okay. On the other hand, shadowing. Okay, you are following somebody, you are imitating someone by watching or by listening, and emulating it is okay, but not every time. Talking about imitating or emulating, it is okay because you want to be like someone. As we have so many are I can say the role model. Okay. And we want to be like them, the way they just conduct themselves. Other than this, we really look up to them, whatever they are doing. Let's suppose any keynote speaker, any public speaker, we really fond of watching their like video and everything, right? So talking about imitating, it is a nice way, but you need to be so comfortable with the language, so spontaneously you have to be speaking. Then you can be able to just adorn your English by using so many hard concrete words, and yeah, and then it would be useful for you. I would not detest, I am reiterating about the tongue twister and shadowing. Why it is important to some extent? Because by doing tongue twister and shadowing, you will be able to say the things rightly, correctly, and there will be less chance to get slip of tongue. This I know. But here's the catch again. Instead of doing tongue twister or shadowing, you can speak with real people. or online, that would be much beneficial for you, because that time you will come to know, okay, this is how I can speak, this is how I can narrate the things, and that time I'm responsible to speak about something that has been asked to me. So I would not say that it is not good thing doing the tongue twister or shadowing, but the crucial part is this, that you need to be speaking with the people and take out time to do something productive. So this is all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for listening to me. Peace out.